Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a table in a Google Form questions. So unlike Google Sheets or Google Docs, there is no direct feature on Google Form to add a table or to create a table. So what you need to do, you can use this hack that I found. I'm going to click on plus to add a new question, and here I'm going to use this add image feature on the Google Form. So you can screenshot the table. You can create the table on Google Docs or Sheets. After that, you can just capture or screenshot it. And here you can just browse the screenshot file of the table, and add it into your Google Form. So for example, I'm going to add this table, click on open. So just wait. Okay, so just like that, the table has been added into the question. So this is a simple trick, but I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.